He's a 2-year-old, and he's very, his personality is just, he's got me wrapped around his little finger. He's very sweet, very playful. He's just at that age where, he's beginning to learn so many different things. He's very smart, and he's one of the strongest kids that I know. He's been through a lot, several different procedures and surgeries that I've had to go through with him. And just seeing how he's recovered from that, it kind of makes you as a person, when you're feeling like you're not strong enough to deal with things, just to watch a child go through all that they go through and to come out of that and to recover from that, it kind of makes you feel like if they can go through these things and come out on top, then we can as adults as well. So they encourage us to want to continue and do more because we can see what they can do at such a young age. It encourages me.
One of my favorite patients, that I think about a lot, was a patient. I worked with him for about a year. He was 9 years old, and unfortunately, he was the first patient that I had that passed away. And we had a lot of fun times together. We would hang out and watch TV. And one of the shows that he liked to watch was Walker, Texas Ranger, and he was a huge Chuck Norris fan. And anyways, he had ordered a couple of Texas Ranger pins for us to wear, and so we would wear them around the house. And I still have that Texas Ranger pin. And I was telling one of my instructors in nursing school that when we get pinned, when we graduate, that I plan to be wearing a second pin. And I'm going to wear that Texas Ranger pin for him because, it's patients like that that I can remember, that kind of gave me purpose as a nurse and, helped me to keep going forward with my education.
When you see a child that can't move or can't talk or can't do anything, you wonder, you think to yourself, what can they hear me? Can they see me? And, and then I finally realized they can feel your touch. And I leaned down to this little girl and I kissed her on the cheek and I rubbed her face. And this little girl who couldn't do anything, she moved her head. And I knew that she knew I was there. And that was a very, very rewarding day for me.